Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you how to use night sight on Google Pixel 11 Pro XL. So first, open the camera app and select night sight. And here we have a couple of options. For example, you can change the astrophotography, timer, macro focus, ratio, and focus, and also change the resolution. But in night sight, the most important thing is to keep your hands steady while you're taking a photo. You can also use a tripod, but when you take a photo, you have a couple of seconds or even minutes after the photo will be taken. Thanks for watching, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.